All right. Let's talk about these machines that I've been waiting for a very long time because I put a lot of effort on this machine. Um, we work together with the factory. Um, yeah, I'm really excited about this machine. First thing first, if you have a repair shop and if you don't have this machine, you're missing out. That I can tell you. Okay, and this machine is not only for screen refurbishing. This is for, we designed it specially purpose designed for every repair shop. We're gonna, yeah, every time we make a machine from now on, it's not, we're not only targeting for screen refurbishing, we're targeting for like multi-purpose machine. I'll explain you this, okay? Number one, this machine, uh, like, I'll show you. It's better show you. So I have a side camera too, but it's better show you on the front camera first. I'm gonna go on from the side. So this machine has this wheel, okay? I'm just so exciting. So when you lift it up, it's locked. It has a lock features. The reason being is none of the machine in the market has this feature yet because we don't want the things accidentally drop and then damage the screen or something like that. Okay, that's number one feature. And number two feature is if you have this, the secondary one. So let's say if you do this much, no matter what, accidentally drop it, it won't damage the screen. And then number three, you have adjustable this vacuum suction one. I'll go over it. This one is not suction cup, not like Apple machine, not like any other TBK machine, expensive machine. This is automatic plus manual both. I'll compare to with this Apple machine as well. We bought it, since the day we bought it, we never use it, okay? Another features, as you all know that I have special design for that as well. See, the camera. The camera, all the new phone, the camera is big, right? Samsung and everything. So, you just remove this one. Oops, my bad. That is exactly for the camera notches. So that you won't damage the camera at all, okay? That's one more feature. Okay, I'll just explain to the front camera. So now, another feature is, as you see, you got the temperature control on, you have two temperature control. This guy is for this right here. So basically that heat up, I set it for 120. You don't really need 120, but I just wanted to demonstrate really fast. So when you do this, this will heat up the whole housing, okay? Number two temperature is this guy. This vacuum has temperature by itself. And then you can turn off that temperature, okay? And then you can turn on the vacuum, okay? So you have two separate temperature. So let's say if you're a repair shop owner, you don't do like Samsung, screen extracting, refurbishing, all kind of bullshit. But I'll go into that. Let's say you have a technician who doesn't know how to remove the screen from the phone, or if you're like wholesaler who does this machine. If you're a wholesaler and if you don't have this machine, you're gonna be missing out. I'm telling you that. So let's say you just swipe in the housing, good screen. You don't need this hit. All you need is hit from the top, right, to lift it up. That's it. That one feature. The second feature is, let's say the Samsung, the backlash. You just wanted to remove the backlash, and then your OLED is gonna be hit directly to this. You don't want to do that. So you can drop the temperature on this right here, or you can turn up the temperature. I would say set it to 70 when you do the backlash, and then you just heat it up this one really hot. So you got heat from this and then heat from this as well. So you can do the Samsung backlash removal. And I'll go into that expensive OTG, whatever Samsung machine is, that machine doesn't work. You still have to do a lot of manual work on that one too. Okay, this will replace everything. That TBK automatic machine, man, $800. Nah, you don't need that. And it doesn't have vacuum feature. It only have a suction cup. Okay, so let me go over the last thing. Okay, this machine work for iPhone front screen, Samsung back glass, iPhone back glass, any Motorola, LG phone back glass, and for the refurbisher or wholesaler who just wanted to change, you have the Samsung screen, a good screen, but you just have to swipe the housing. So you have to extract the Samsung OLED with glass from the housing. This is the machine. This is the only machine that you need for your all repair shop, wholesaler, everyone. You're gonna need this machine. I guarantee for that, okay? So yeah, I think it's talking too much. So let me demonstrate with this. Okay, another thing. We're gonna make an individual video for Samsungs and all that too. People will ask me, oh, we have a Samsung with the crack glass. How are we gonna do that? That's easy. We're gonna make another video just for that because all you need is the UV glue. That's it. You need a UV glue, and you install the chip temper glass on top of it. That's it. Okay. So we've been doing this for a very long time. So this is the iCloud lock phone that we got it, 100% working. So we have never opened it before. Okay. And it has the crack glass temper glass. I'm gonna keep that one. So this, okay, I'm gonna lock it down, let it heat it up, and then, oh, another feature, let's say you turn on the vacuum, and if you wanted to release the vacuum, all you have to do is press once, and then this will release the vacuum, okay? Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna move a little bit to the back, because oh, it's already, okay. It has a temper glass, so that's it. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn on the vacuum, okay? I don't know, like, in America, we do this way to tighten, and then this one is kind of opposite. Every machine that make from China kind of like a little bit opposite. That's normal. So see. So of course, all you need is a little bit of the. Okay, so temper glass won't work. My bad. So release this. So temper glass is here. So we're gonna remove this. So temper glass won't work. So we're gonna use this without temper glass. It's not really hot enough yet, but I'm gonna fit a little bit of 99% alcohol. That's the most important part of the this process. Doesn't matter, Samsung, iPhone, every devices. So this is gonna be a really quick demonstration, okay? We're gonna make a special individual video for each and every device, how to use it. So you don't want it to like keep going up, okay? So another question you might ask, right? Oh, what about if we have like 20 screens that we have to open? I have an answer for that. Normally what we do is, even the screen refurbishing process, we have one big hip plate or hip mat or whatever you call it, but we never use hip mat. We only use hip plate because hip plate has the vacuum features, stabilize, even you separate the iPad glass and all that stuff, okay? I'm not a big fan of hip mat. So anyway, we preheat it. See? So we have 20 phone. You preheat it at least 2-3 phone while you're working on this phone. So that way it's rotate, and then you don't really have to wait. This has to be heated up and all that shit, right? So let's start over. See that it's already open. It's already came off. See that? I don't know, have you seen it? Cameraman, you have to zoom here. See? I didn't even do anything. It's already come off. So you fit a little bit of alcohol, and now we have an Oka plastic shim. You can use this kind of Oka plastic shim to fit, or if you're not a refurbisher, you can buy this one, Bicycle brand. This is not like paper, and it's not just a plastic. It's like, I don't know how to call it. It's water resistant, but it's not 100% plastic, and it's not 100% paper. So it's like made of something. You can get it from the pharmacy or Walmart. So I'm gonna bend over, and then see, that's it. It's all done. So it's all done. As you see, this phone has never been opened before. That's it. It's all done. That's all we need. So now I don't need it anymore. You can just go all the way, but I don't want to waste a lot of your time for this video. See? So turn it off and then release it. That's it. And then now this come off, and then that's it. It's already came off. So this is iPhone. Whew, hot. So I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, this is the iPhone 11 from my repair shop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna demonstrate this really quick, and then we're gonna demonstrate Samsung. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just so excited because I put a lot of effort on this machine as well. Of course, this is LCD. You don't want it to use a lot of liquid, but you can use a little bit of liquid, just a little bit at the edges, right? But let's heat it up first. And this is gonna be LG phone. I'm not sure. This is LG K51. It's open from the front or from the back. Looks like you can open either way. Samsung, like, it's just a funny story. We got two Korean guy came in. They work for Samsung. I don't know, some reason they just came here and then fixed their phone. They said, oh, it's easier and faster to fix with you guys. And then they compare side by side with their original Samsung, testing everything, and then they're happy with it. I don't know why. They came here. Okay, another tips, when you're working on LCD version, of course, you don't want to set the 120 for this heat, right? Maximum is 90, okay? Maximum 90 on this heat, and then 70, 90 on this. I think 70, 80 should be more than enough, but if you want it to go fast, then you can set up 90, because you don't want it to burn the backlight. Or if you're a refurbisher, you don't want it to burn the backlight. It's extra work, right? So it's been sitting for about a few minutes. I would say 1 minute. So I'm gonna turn on the vacuum. That's it. Oh, okay. I have to press it down first. Just make sure that it's the suction walk. Hey, something wrong? Okay, I think I did this. I have to turn it on. So this one is like releasing the air, so you have to tighten it again. It's a little bit of manual work required. So there you go. It's already come off. I don't know this screen has been repaired before. We're gonna find out, okay? So we just fit. You don't even need this, but if you're really scared about the liquid's gonna go into the backlight, all you have to do is like liquid on somewhere, and then you can fit that way too, okay? That's it. It's already came off. I'm pretty sure this is original Apple LCD. Never has been opened yet. Okay, like this. And this screen is cracked. This is a cracked screen. Do you think that cracked screen gonna work with Apple machine or that TBK 900, 800 machine? No, it's not gonna work. I mean, I'm sorry. This is not my motto bashing other people machine, but I'm just so excited to do a comparison. But anyway, so I'm gonna turn it off and then release the air. So it's already came off. See that? And so we're gonna find out now that it has been opened before or no. I don't have any tools right next to me. What do I do? I don't have any opening tools. Okay, this is what I have. I'm gonna use this one for now. This is a thin one. Yep, this is original Apple LCD. The adhesive is original, everything. That's how easy it is. So the last one. I don't want it to take too long. So I'm gonna drop the temperature really quick because we don't want it to burn the front screen, the crack screen anyway. So I just wanted to demonstrate, okay? So lock it out, and then this one has a heat too. Release it. And then we accept the pre-order as well. Currently, for some reason, we sold a lot of this machine on South Asian and South America, I would say. So I'm gonna lock it and turn on the vacuum and lock it out, okay? So let's wait for a little bit. Make sure the vacuum is, so sometimes you don't really need the bottom one, just need this, the top one, but I love to use both. It's because the bottom one heat up the frame. See, all about is heating up the frame, right? Oh, we're gonna find out this one. Yeah, this one I guarantee 100% this is original. So I just wanna seal it back. I'm not gonna open it. While we are waiting for this guy. And then people who does refurbishing, like before anybody in US used this kind of machine with the suction cup, I would say about 4 or 5 years, 3, 4 years ago. I would say 4 years ago, I use it, and then a lot of people give up to use this kind of machine, which is they don't know how to use it. The suction cup doesn't work. They don't know how to use it as well. So. See that? It just came off. That's it. See that? Or you can just do this. It came off, just like that. Ooh, I don't want to mess up that shit. Okay, that's fine. And then release the air. That's it, done. So it worked that easy, and then of course it worked for the Samsung as well. So if you're running a repair shop, if you're and then you are having issue with the technician, like new hire technician, it's then tools. You invest just two. And that's it. I mean, two should make your life so much easier. Two is very, very important. Skill, it's take time to train somebody. But if you have a good tools, that's it. So this Apple machine, I never use it. Plus, just to buy this mold, it's like $99 for each model. And I mean, you can buy a lot of this. Yeah, contact me through the website. We accept the order through website, pre-order. A lot of, at least like 50 pieces of machine should come in a week or 2 from now on. Go ahead and, I would suggest doing a pre-order is because we do provide to a wholesaler as well. Anybody in US will be, go through NASAN USA as well. So thank you guys.